In this episode, we're gonna explore correlation coefficient using our class week. Let us consider this activity. Using the dataset, determine the equation of the regression line having row 1 as the x values and row 2 as the y values. Doing so, we need to press menu and then 6. Again, we need two variable statistics, so we need to press 2. And then row 1 as your x values, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, and 8. Now, row 2 as your y values. Alright, going back to row number 1. The first value will be 91 equals 80 equals 77 equals 69 equals 90 equals 63 equals 71 equals 79 equals 53 equals, and lastly 60. Alright, to get now the correlation coefficient, we need to press options and then the regression calculation, which is number 4. Take note that our correlation coefficient is 0.7193. Now, for the second task, using the same dataset, determine the equation of the regression line having row 2 as the x values and row 1 as the y values. So it means that we need to interchange our variables and the values. Doing so, we have pressing on to delete all the data, and menu 6. Again, our x values are on the second row, so we have 91 equals 80 equals 77 equals 69 equals 90 equals 63 equals 71 equals 79 equals 53 equals 60 equals. And then using arrow keys, go back again to row number 1. And then this time, our y values will come from row number 1. So we have 0 equals, 1 equals, 2 equals, 3 equals, 3 equals, 5 equals, 5 equals, 7 equals, 7 equals, and finally 8. Again, obtaining our correlation coefficient, press options and then 4. As you can see, the correlation coefficient is still equal to negative 0.7193. What effect does the switching of the variables have on the correlation coefficient? As we can see, alright, that there is no effect whether we interchange the x and the y variables or the x and y data in our regression analysis. This means that correlation is not really a cause and effect as we have known. And this will suffice our claim that correlation is not a cause and effect. I hope you have learned something in this episode. Thank you. See you on our next video.